Unreal Engine 5 versus RE Engine, which game engine is better? Choosing the right game engine can transform your development experience and final product without unnecessary complexity. Unreal Engine 5 offers versatility, while RE Engine focuses on immersive graphics and performance. Unreal Engine 5 and RE Engine are powerful game engines designed for creating high-quality games. The core difference lies in Unreal Engine 5's broad versatility and extensive toolset versus RE Engine's specialization in delivering stunning visuals and optimized performance for action and horror titles. Unreal Engine 5 by Epic Games is a comprehensive game development platform used across various genres and industries. It works by providing developers with advanced tools like Nanite for detailed geometry and Lumen for dynamic global illumination, enabling photorealistic environments. Its strengths include a vast asset marketplace, robust cross-platform support, and a large developer community, making it ideal for both indie creators and AAA studios. However, its extensive features can present a steep learning curve, and projects may require significant hardware resources. Unreal Engine 5 excels in open-world games, VR, and cinematic experiences, making it perfect for users seeking flexibility and cutting-edge graphics combined with a mature ecosystem. RE Engine, developed by Capcom, is a specialized game engine tailored for delivering high-fidelity graphics and smooth performance, particularly in action and horror games. It operates by optimizing rendering techniques and physics to create immersive, detailed worlds with efficient resource use. The engine's strengths lie in its ability to handle complex animations and realistic lighting with less overhead, which benefits games requiring fast-paced, responsive gameplay. However, RE Engine is less versatile outside its niche, with a smaller toolset and limited third-party support compared to broader engines. It is ideal for developers focused on narrative-driven, visually striking games like Resident Evil and Devil May Cry, where performance and atmosphere are paramount. Comparing Unreal Engine 5 and RE Engine highlights key trade-offs. Unreal Engine 5 offers unmatched versatility with tools suited for a wide range of projects, from open world to VR, supported by a massive community and marketplace. This makes it a go-to for developers wanting flexibility and extensive resources. On the other hand, RE Engine shines in delivering optimized, high-quality visuals and fluid gameplay in specific genres, excelling at narrative-driven and action-packed games with efficient performance. While Unreal may demand more powerful hardware and time investment, RE Engine provides a streamlined experience with a focus on graphical fidelity and responsiveness. Choosing between them depends on your project scope, broad adaptability and feature depth with Unreal Engine 5, or focused visual excellence and performance with RE Engine. Unreal Engine 5 is recommended for developers seeking a versatile, feature-rich engine capable of handling diverse projects across platforms with cutting-edge graphical capabilities. RE Engine is the better choice for creators focused on high-performance, visually immersive action or horror games, delivering optimized graphics and smooth gameplay. Ultimately, your project goals and preferred workflow will determine which engine best fits your development needs.